Hi, it's Emily from WTI. What do you think this is? A tiny tote? A camping lantern? It's a blender. It's a blender from the Momo lifestyle store. And it's so cute.
I will readily admit when I saw this cute blender from the Momo lifestyle store, I loved the collapsible design, but I was pretty skeptical about whether or not it would be strong enough to smoothly blend up ice or frozen fruit. But here you can see my daughter making a fruit smoothie with frozen berries, and I have to say, I was blown away. It worked so well. It perfectly blended up the berries and was completely smooth. You just double tap the button and in just a few short seconds, you have a protein shake or smoothie. And that's because of the 2000 megahertz motor. So it's really powerful and you can get up to 12 shakes before you need to recharge. You don't need to take batteries with you because it comes with this USB cord, so you can just recharge it with any USB outlet. It also has these extra pieces, so you can take the blender base off after you make a shake so that you don't have to drink your shake with the blender base on it. You can also use the little cup and lid to carry your protein powder with you. You do need to take the lid off before you collapse or expand it because of the air pressure, but it's really quick and easy. This blender is compact, lightweight, and easy to just grab and go.
If you're somebody that lives and dies by a good protein shake and you do some travel or you're just busy, you're going to want to have this thing. And that's just my point of view.